Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In our today's video, we'll be looking at Normalized Difference Moisture Index, also known as Moisture Stress Index. Basically tracks canopy water content and drought stress by constructing the infrared reflectance against shortwave infrared. One, which increases as leaf moisture basically drops. So the bands we'll be using with near infrared and shortwave infrared. So as the video title says, we'll be working with QGIS, and for the tutorial we will just be using the Landsat 8 to run the analysis. So let's get straight into it. So I'll simply open my raster calculator. Five and 6, yeah. Band 5 minus band 6, bracket close, divided by bracket open, band 5 plus band 6, bracket close, NDMI, correct about that? Yeah. Okay. So this analysis can be used to calculate moisture in a particular location over time. So you're having this to also use to measure droughts as well. So if you're studying about plant growth and plant health, we can actually get to use the NDMI to run this certain analysis. I hope I was able to assist you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. And as always, happy mapping.